P master code key P 6 zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 key. Okay, to enable the CBus, you have to put P150E, then 1E. 1 appears here, it means it's CBus enabled. And to finish up, press P and E. Okay, now we create a blank new project. Next, the visor. Next, pick up our toolkit project. Okay, we add a location, hole, function group, arm control. In the icon we can select security. Okay. Go to widgets, add widget, select security, appears there, location, hall, alarm control, okay, number of zone we're using, say for example we use 8, and we give them a number 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here we write the zone name, for example different bedrooms or hallways or lounge, etc. But in this case we just put a number 1 2 5 7 8, and click OK. Okay. Next thing we do, we transfer the project to the visor unit. Okay, we save our project and then we can transfer it. Transfer project to unit. Okay. And I already know the address, so use the fixed. And start. We wait about a minute and a half. Now we open a browser and then type the IP address 192.168.1. Enter. Okay, to arm it we can try arm E, and we can see our system is armed. To disarm we punch in 1 2 3 and then E. There we go, it's disarmed. Okay, when system is armed and say one of the zones is unsealed, we see the zones becoming red and also the alarm comes on.